Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to withdraw money from crypto.com to your bank account. The tutorial is quick and simple. Just make sure to subscribe to this channel before we dive into. Now once you are on your crypto.com application, you want to go to your accounts and choose crypto wallet. From here you want to sell your coins to fiat. If you already have fiat, then you go to fiat wallet. Now I'm just going to choose sell Ethereum. And after that, you will see an option to sell it for Tether, for example. But what you can also do is go ahead, click on one time and choose target price, for example. Now you can go ahead and target the price when it hits that much. As you can see, you can go ahead and cash it out to your bank account. So to add the payment method, you first needed to send a deposit basically from your bank account. After that, your payment method will be here and you just choose it and sell your Ethereum, and your money will be sent to your bank account. So that's pretty much it. That's that simple. And if this video was helpful, make sure to subscribe and I will see you next time. Bye.